In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add sounds to Discord soundboard on mobile. First, open your mobile browser and head to discord.com. Sign in if you're not already, then navigate to the server where you want to add sounds. Using the browser is important here because some soundboard management options may not appear in every version of the mobile app. Once you're on your server, tap the server name or the menu icon to open the server options and go into server settings. Inside server settings, look for soundboard. Tap it to open the soundboard management page. Depending on your device or how the page loads, you might briefly be taken back to the main server menu. If that happens, simply tap server settings again, then soundboard again to get to the right place. Now tap upload sound. This opens the upload panel where you'll add your audio. Tap browse to choose the file from your phone. Your browser may ask for permission to access your files. Allow it, then select the audio clip you want. Short, clear clips work best, and common formats like MP3 or WAV are usually supported. If the file is too long or large, consider trimming it in a separate audio app before uploading. After your file is selected, give your sound a name. Pick something descriptive and easy to recognize so people know what to expect when they tap it during a call. Next, choose a related emoji if you like. This is optional, but it helps the sound stand out visually in the soundboard grid, especially when you've added several clips. Adjust the sound volume using the slider. It's a good idea to set it slightly below maximum to avoid blasting other members' audio. You can always come back and tweak this later if it's too quiet or too loud during a live test. When everything looks good, tap upload to save it to your server's soundboard. After it finishes uploading, your new sound should appear in the list. To try it out, join a voice channel on the same server and open the soundboard. You'll see your clip there ready to play. If you don't see the option to upload, make sure you have the right server permissions, such as the ability to manage server expressions or soundboard items. Also, keep your mobile browser up to date, and if something doesn't load, refresh the page or try another browser. That's it. Your custom sound is now on the server and ready for your next voice chat.